Well, here I am on the side of the road with my Saab 9.5 2.3 liter. I just redid the whole damn engine. I did the rings, added a new piston, or a used piston, to replace the blown one, and just had it running nice, and took it for a little drive out in the country, going along about 80 kilometers an hour, and guess what happened? I just all of a sudden quit. I'm got my, oh great, it's saying no codes now. Huh, that's interesting. My code reader said code P301, whatever that means. I'll let you listen to it turn over. I think I've busted something in the timing or something. It doesn't seem to have compression. See, it turns over really easily, and that's odd. Anyways, I gotta go. My battery's dying here.